Hey there, alright, so I did this while at the Eastside Mario's, and as you can see from the jagged edge on the top, this is just the back of a receipt. So, here we go, number 23. Currently, 80 people pay $5,000. That's the revenue. Currently, there are 80 people that cost the agency $300 per person. Plus, there's $250,000 for the charter airplane, right? So, for each drop of $30, we gain one passenger, it says. So the revenue function would be the number of people times how much they pay you. So 80 plus X, because they're if X is the number of $30 price decreases, then 80 plus X would be the number of people there, and 5,000 minus 30X would be the amount of money they pay you. That's the price of the ticket. The cost function will be the same number of people, 80 plus X, times $300 a person, plus the $250,000 fixed cost for the airplane charter. So, profit equals revenue minus cost, and there's the revenue minus the cost. I expand everything and simplify, and you end up here. You get a quadratic, which opens down, so that's good. There's a max, so we're going to look for that max. Max profit happens when dP by dx equals 0. We take the derivative, and we set it to 0. We end up with roughly 38, right? Roughly 38.3. So, what I would do is I would actually plug in 38 and 39, since the max is actually in between those two, and it's not clear from the question whether we're actually allowed to have non-integral solutions. So, we're going to go with that. P, profit at x equals 38, and the profit at x equals 39. Now, they're essentially the same, so it probably doesn't even matter, but I guess we got to go with the best, so the maximum would be at 38. An extra $10 made. Yay. So, the number of price increases is 38. The max profit of $170,000 and $170,080 happens when the price is $3,860, and there are 118 passengers, which is allowable because I think there was what was the maximum number for the charter, 150 seats or something? It was definitely over 118. So anyway, now the answer in the back, I checked it just to, you never know. Well, I checked it and the answer was 1140. I was like, what is that? Is that, I wonder if that's the actual savings, and it is. Then I checked the question, and that's actually what they asked for. So they asked how much should the price be lowered. So it should be lowered. 30 times 38 equals 1140.